yeah. Hey, hey, hey! Man, it looks like a burger. Let's do it. Here we go. Hey, veggie burger. Huh? Here we go. Oh. Hey. Wow. Yummy. Doesn't that look like a burger? Holy moly. I need better glasses. All right, let's see. Wow. Look at it. Does that look like a burger? It's got texture. It might be a touch soft. I was really tempted to bake it. Baking might make it a little firmer, like the meatballs we did last week. I wanted to keep it very plain, like just salt and pepper, because we were loading up the burger. That's a Whopper vegetarian burger. Make the patty not too thick, so it'll toast and cook through. I think we're done here. That was fun. That was You know what? I have some that I did not make in the fridge. We'll try baking it. Frying worked out pretty good. It toasted up pretty good just with butter. Medium heat, not too high. You want it to cook for a while before it gets toasty. You know what I'm going to say. What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.